Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can duplicate a section in Divi WordPress website. Here you can see I have a basic section. Now if I want to duplicate this section, how I can do that? Just log in into our website, and after that let's visit front side. Now click enable page builder. So now here you can see page builder is loading. After that, here you can see section settings. So in the blue color this is section setting, and in the green color this is row setting, and here you can see in the gray color this is module setting. Now if you want to duplicate this entire section, just you can go here, duplicate option. Here you can see section is duplicated. Now you can change the content from here. You can edit any of the module and remove this text. You can add your own text. Here you can see this is how is to design anything in Divi WordPress theme. After that, now click here, three dots, and here you can save the settings. Now let's refresh the page. Here you can see section is duplicated.